I'm about to show you one of the most powerful AI blogging features you have ever seen. It is the bulk content generation mode in WordRocket, which allows you to generate up to 50 articles at once. And you do not diminish or give up the quality of your articles. The quality of the articles are top tier and will rank on Google and have no problem bringing in traffic. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to WordRocket. The link will be in the description below today's video. Head over to bulk generate. This feature is available for our premium users because it's such a powerful feature. The first thing that we want to do is we want to name the batch. So just give it any name that you can recognize. And then we're going to enter in our global settings. This is going to dictate the global settings for our articles. So we want all the articles to be at least 3,000 words. We want it all to be in a professional tone, informational. We want it to be in English. For this example, we'll be using Claude Sonnet 4.5 because I just find that it works the best. We're not going to include any intended audience or any custom instructions. We are going to include our web search mode. So that means not only are these articles going to be created in bulk, they'll actually have a two-step approach. One means it will do research on Perplexity on that topic, and then it's going to combine that with Claude to give you a really complete, in-depth, relevant article that is cited with sources. You can also use your own brand voice, so it's not going to be generic. It'll actually follow your specific instructions. You can include different article elements such as first-person perspective, stories, hooks, HTML elements, citations. Now, this is the fun part. You can then choose how many images you would like to have throughout the article. For this example, we'll go ahead and we'll create 3 images per article. You can include internal links if you like. So all of the articles will be internally linked to your sitemaps URLs, and will intelligently choose the best URLs to internally link to. So as you can see, that's already very, very powerful, right? Because again, you're not compromising on the quality of your articles. So once you head over to next, this is where now you want to paste in your topics. I have a list of topics here in which I'll be choosing from, and I'll show you how we can generate 20 articles in one. So I'm just going to copy over 20 of these topics. We're going to head back over to WordRocket. We're going to paste that in. We're going to click parse topics. So once we parse it, it's going to individualize those topics. So the AI knows exactly which topic and which one topic is one article. We're going to go to continue to review. And this is where it gets even more powerful. You can just go ahead and run this and it will generate all 20 of those articles. Or we can actually individually click actions on those specific articles, and we can include custom instructions for that specific article. So let's say, for example, this article here, right? We wanted to add some more custom instructions. I can then go over and paste in the custom instructions, and I can customize any of the article elements, the images, or some of the other settings here, and I can click save changes. So that article will be individualized, but it'll all still be bulk generated, right? This is a feature that I have not seen anywhere else. And the quality of the articles, which you'll see, is subpar. And the quality of the articles in which you'll see is comparable to any of the top AI writing tools in the market. So again, I can rinse and repeat this. I'm going to customize each one of these specific topics here, right? So this is the information in which I want to add in. I'm going to paste that in for custom instructions, save changes. So you can this allows you again to increase just the quality of your specific articles, even though you're generating them in bulk. And if you're doing this as an agency and you have clients, you can customize each one of your articles. Again, a very, very powerful feature. If you guys would like to try it out, head over to app.wordrocket.ai. So what I'm going to do now, I'm actually just going to customize each one of these articles because this is for one of our clients. And then once it's all finished, I'm going to come back. We're going to generate the articles and I'll show you what it all looks like. Okay, so I've clicked generate articles, and as you can see, the batch has been created, and all of the articles will show up either in my batches. As you can see, you can go through those batches, you can view all of the articles, or it will show up in the My Content section. As you can see, they're all generating. So that took us a couple of minutes to set up, and now we have 20 articles in queue, right? And this is just, again, a couple of minutes. So imagine the scale that you can go to It was that simple to generate 20 articles. And what's even crazier is that you generated 20 articles and each one of them will be at least 3,000 words. That's over 60,000 words your content will be. And if you're using a tool like Koala Writer, if you're using a tool like SEO writing, that's going to cost you a lot of money per month. If you wanted to generate 100,000, 150,000 words per month, and it really doesn't allow you to scale. WordRocket is built for you to scale because, again, you're using your own API key. It actually ends up being much cheaper for you in the long run. It's been about 5 minutes and the articles are completed, so it doesn't even take that long to get back the articles. The text of the articles will be generated first, and then the images will be generated after. Let's go back. Let's go over to my batches. And as you can see, here are all of the articles completed. As I mentioned before, you can also see it in the My Content section. Let's go ahead and take a look at these articles. You get a custom image. These images are beautiful, not screaming AI or low quality. So a cover image. Your first image here, so transforming your setbacks into stepping stones for success. As you can see, these images are awesome. No distortion in the text. We get a nice introduction. We get a table of contents, key takeaway. We get our markdown, which will actually be connected to these specific headings. We get a nice table here, and we get our actual content, and we get another image. Now this image again looks really, really good. There's no distortion in the text, and this is a beautiful image. It's relevant. It really increases the engageability of your articles. And that's the type of content you can expect for all of these articles. And as you can see here, we have internal and external linking as well. This one has another image, so resilience development. Like, look at this image. This is beautiful, right? Then we have our FAQs, our conclusion, and for this prompt, we did definitions, and we have references as well with their SEO meta title and description. Guys, look at this article. And this is one of what all of these articles will look like, right? You do this for any niche. You create 50 articles, 100 articles for 6 months. You're telling me there's no way you're not going to rank. Like, you are going to rank and get content, right? And WordRocket allows you to do so in a way that doesn't kill your wallet, in a way that you actually pay for what you use. You're only paying to upgrade to get access to this platform, but it's built with scale in mind and for users that really want to be serious in content and actually grow their sites. So that's one article. Again, if you go through any of these articles, they all are the same. We have a nice cover image here, a nice, beautiful, relevant image as well, what you'll learn. Again, another image here, smart goals, pack goals. Like, this is beautiful. And then we get our references and then our conclusion. And again, if I scroll through, we can see all of the articles that we just generated. And it did not take us long to generate 20 articles. As I mentioned, let's go ahead and take a look at our costs. So if we go ahead and we look at our spend for today, so our spend, which is just today, was $7.53. So that's $7.53 to generate 20 articles. So a little bit over 30 cents per article, and that's with us using Claude Sonnet 4.5, right? We're using the highest model, and we're using Sonar Reasoning Pro. And keep in mind, this cost of $7 includes images because we actually pay for images. You do not pay for images. So that's inclusive of images. With great power comes great responsibility. So if you are using this tool, again, just keep in mind that you can generate a lot of really, really high quality content quickly and grow your website. So if that's your goal, I definitely recommend using this feature. So if you want to check it out, head over. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope that you learned something new. If you want to use this for yourselves, head over to app.wordrocket.ai. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.